So I've got my 2-pack of suction cup hooks here. Now this is the black. They do come in other colors and designs. I just love the way it looks. It's more of like a minimalist look, and I love that we've got this piece of metal here on the end. It's kind of like a hook, and that allows me to hang large items on there, like maybe a large towel. Since these are pretty large right here, we've got a large area right here to hold on to. It does hold up to 11 pounds, so you can use this in the kitchen, the bathroom, attach it to glass, metal, tile, painted wood. Of course, you can use this in the bathroom. It can get wet. It is rust proof and waterproof, so the water is not going to penetrate into this area, and so it's not going to fall off. These are great when my grandkids come over. There's only so many towel holders in our bathroom, and they can go ahead and just, each of them have their own towel. Let me go ahead and just show you how to actually install these. So to install it, I'm just going to put it on the surface, make sure it's nice and level. Push it in like that. It's in there really good. Remember, it holds up to 11 pounds. And of course, I'm just putting a towel in here, but of course you can put anything. I love that it holds so much. It looks fantastic on here. I can take it to different rooms, put it in different bathrooms. You name it. Very handy to have, very portable. Hope you found this review helpful.